What if I told you there's a way to make your money work harder for you without locking it away in long-term investments or taking on the risks of the stock market? Sounds intriguing, right? Enter the Ally Bank High Yield Savings Account, a financial tool that promises to boost your savings with competitive interest rates. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's dive into the pros and cons to see if this account is truly worth your consideration. The pros of Ally Bank's High Yield Savings Account. Let's start with the good stuff. What makes this account stand out in a crowded marketplace of savings options? Competitive interest rates. Ally Bank offers an annual percentage yield, APY, of 3.7%, which is significantly higher than the national average for traditional savings accounts. This means your money grows faster while sitting in your account. Unlike some banks that require you to jump through hoops to earn high interest, Ally doesn't impose any special conditions for this rate. No monthly maintenance fees. One of the most frustrating aspects of some savings accounts is the dreaded monthly maintenance fee. With Ally, you can rest easy knowing there are no such fees eating into your hard-earned savings. No minimum deposit requirement. Whether you're starting with $10 or $10,000, Ally welcomes you with open arms. There's no minimum deposit required to open an account, making it accessible for savers at all levels. FDIC insured. Your deposits are insured by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, up to $250,000 per depositor per ownership category. This ensures your money is safe even if the bank faces financial difficulties. Savings Buckets feature. Ally offers a unique buckets feature that allows you to divide your savings into different categories within the same account. Whether you're saving for a vacation, an emergency fund, or a new car, this tool helps you stay organized and track your progress toward multiple financial goals. Automated savings tools. Ally's Boosters feature includes tools like roundups and surprise savings transfers. These automate small contributions to your savings by analyzing your spending habits and transferring extra funds from your checking account. Daily compounding interest. Interest on your balance compounds daily and is paid out monthly, which means you're earning interest on your interest, a small but significant advantage over accounts that compound less frequently. Accessibility. Need to access your money? No problem. Unlike certificates of deposit, CDs, which penalize early withdrawals, Ally's High Yield Savings Account allows you to withdraw funds anytime without penalties, though there are some limitations. More on that later. The cons of Ally Bank's High Yield Savings Account. Now let's talk about the potential downsides, because no financial product is perfect. No physical branches. As an online-only bank, Ally doesn't have any brick-and-mortar locations. If you prefer face-to-face interactions for banking services, this might be a drawback for you. No cash deposits. While Ally makes it easy to transfer funds electronically, it doesn't accept cash deposits. This could be inconvenient if you frequently deal with cash and need a way to deposit it into your savings account. Withdrawal limits. Federal regulations previously capped savings account withdrawals at 6 per month under Regulation D. Although this rule has been relaxed post-pandemic, Ally still imposes a limit of 10 withdrawals per statement cycle. Exceeding this limit may result in fees or even account conversion to a checking account. Interest rate fluctuations. The APY is variable and can change at any time based on market conditions or decisions by Ally Bank itself. While the current rate is attractive, there's no guarantee it will remain competitive in the future. Not ideal for long-term goals. While high-yield savings accounts are great for short-term goals or emergency funds, they generally don't keep up with inflation over long periods. If you're saving for retirement or other long-term objectives, investments like stocks or mutual funds may offer better returns. Outgoing wire transfer fees. Although there are no monthly maintenance fees, certain services like outgoing wire transfers come with costs, $20 per transfer to be exact. Limited ATM access. The account doesn't come with an ATM card or debit card for direct access to funds via ATMs. You'll need to transfer money to another account first if you want cash access. Not always the highest APY available. While 3.7% APY is competitive, it's not necessarily the best rate on the market. Some online banks or credit unions may offer slightly higher yields, so it pays to shop around if maximizing interest is your top priority. Who is this account best for? The Ally Bank High Yield Savings Account shines brightest for people who want a simple, fee-free way to grow their savings, appreciate user-friendly online banking tools, have short or medium-term financial goals like building an emergency fund or saving for a vacation, don't need physical branch access or cash deposit options, value features like savings buckets and automated boosters to help them stay disciplined with their goals. On the flip side, if you're someone who needs frequent cash deposits, prefers in-person banking services, or wants guaranteed returns over a fixed period, like with CDs, this account might not be the best fit for you. So what's the verdict? The Ally Bank High Yield Savings Account offers plenty of advantages: a competitive interest rate, no fees or minimums, and innovative tools like buckets and boosters that make saving easier and more goal-oriented. However, it does come with some trade-offs, namely limited withdrawal options and no physical branches or cash deposit capabilities. Ultimately, whether this account is right for you depends on your financial needs and priorities. If you're comfortable managing your money entirely online and want an efficient way to grow your savings without unnecessary fees, Ally Bank could be an excellent choice. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.